Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TV GH so what frame Adjoa searching.
The person much as say, can a Japan, many to say. Or friend me say, Kofi, me say could be last time one support to me. This time I want you to support me. Now I say, Minia, I will not support you. Not because we are a bad person. Because he's not a bad person. Not because you don't deserve it. But I'm in support you. Now, didn't I mean support you? And say, baby, I hear drone. Nipa bi a would know about so ni ho de anka different. Nipa bi a wono aba no. Ebeboa ye kuo no more than you. But one thing that I will promise you, and it's a me nko ba bia nko ka wo asem bone da, and I kept my word. A principle and a party no ye etina metimi yi madamfo sabe me no to and said didi for 4 years me ye mayor no every weekend he spent it with me. MP Pintra. Now no me be say akwa kra na me frɛ di nua poku. Na poku. Be say me share ken. Nah. Yeah, you need the way forward, which I'm going to do. Why be you? Kwabre Japan. Many Kwabre Japan were co-campaign managers for Alan. Taba no confess. Pachomuti. I do tune. What do I mean next door neighbor? Many in America. We're also in the same field. Oh no, it be no me education. Or no so no well America one of the best positions in America. And it's a way was a superintendent of schools. Omuni minister for education. And it's a be a sinful here. No be wa no hwe schools. Nti kuro bia woni de ye onya koduru a post bia no e che no
ya busia munya we breakfast ni mesre ma se mu me hwe video bi na isi a me ra hu mum kai nipa eye o me hwe video ma ni nkomo wate abusia stay with me. Busia empanyi focus emi se aboa bi beka wa ni firi ntoma na I'm shocked wahu MPP party dia o maye bibra magana comparing MPP to NDC no ene ma MPP aya magana what me for NDC to MPP ho but MPP party no greediness bi wo ma wahu like if you support us ko si leaders ne so me nyu o twi nyadwa there's some greediness bi wo MPP mu a eno na ekosi ye party ne downfall ene so nwajako wo after all that you benefited from the party just like the Japan and win into muma kwakwati mu party the base hey so does loyalty really existing in humanity like everyone ajako wo ajako and then kwakwati the base and then when I did the base and him just say simple and just because of say candidate Japan and win abuja so one idea we idea we MPP mo hwe ma me cite example bi nche o ye woni pa bi say e fa say fancy comedy emre bi ankofo ko bo no me post ye ho video enya threat bebre political movies. Let me talk about these two people. Several times in my video I tag you because you know they have the followers among for sure, and then we are working towards a goal to be able to bring back MPP to come and build Ghana. Abusia, my targets are confirmed several times. Like a criminal being from Mubia and China. Now the me say, Nancy, minya ye friend say fanti comedy minya ne number me ne chat say find am so minua ade na wo ye no abi na me ye nyina pese MPP mra power because ye pega na yi chance me comment me post na me send you no post am me abusu efi ho na no ano no up to now guy no respond me message bi wahu ni nyina ne say keso mo no matima ben panyifo nti mo mpese obi beba hobi you see na mo ngo matima di MPP aba power wahu sa selfish suban no ebi na jako mu ye na ye o ene ebi na nipa so mo party so mo start am ye no kese mo na ma ben Dr. Bawumia mo na ma ben mpanyifo nti kese mo to promo obi mabi mo ngu so yeah we end discourage ye be gu so ya adwumade na ma party ba mo ngu so na mo hu se da mo ye na be affect party ni da bi ene ebi na ekoso no ajako wu ene wu di the base anim se wo nya MPP ni biem ajako hey na me be tue ni pa binum ka papa God is going to punish some people mu ye greedy you see if as a party see any side greediness na free mo a sa person mi nkuminya me nkwa minya na ye no ye nya free ma guys abem won you see sometimes a crony the one me akro no menfa ade ni menfa rag ni 20 me akro nanim na akro ni ntimi ngu abushia a crony the one me akro no me mi anchen ade na mo ye na be affect party but you don't know try I normal say ebinum followers see ebinum sort I say because mo bi ma wo match you said the likes of nipa mabobo mudi no ma ben panyefo ma man for mo post bi o mo like it me post video and much respect to Chasopoko Presido. This guy haven't met him in person before or US or UK phone say e din komo but to post me content and it will surprise you kind of friends and likes and comments awonya as compared to mine at the end of the day ni na bua party no na mo to wonom say who tag ni pa na at least oh hwe kra onyu MPP ni sum omu a no atwam na de be ndisi for ba hye en na de we yakra no wakasa party for kra mbuaw tie me maka me sa na discourage me o it's not going to discourage me and I mean konko boost hwe because I mean fake afa fa so bi ama e wo sa manfo hu ade no no hu asem na wo ka no mu tie na esa o ma adwunom kwato ba de ma MPP na sa boda moto na mo se na ma be mpanyimfo enti e bia mo hye ya content mpanyimfo so be hu a recognize enti mo nya mo ntena ho na sa mo nkwa mbetimi di party na ba power we live to see you guys should stop those greediness enye adi we na party ni me ene hade kan de Japan chita for you true MPP members and almost Canadian winning just anko side Canadian winning no enti na the base mo ko bi CPP eno kra nyina na the base na me betu aboka mo hwe ta ma na MPP e wo power no ho ana nka mistakes nkitinkiti bi ya kan na campaign foti ya e bi anka na party ni opposition no ba yantie ene ye ne so what I say enti nyese bi do party na kan nyese bi aye ba she party no aya de e betima affect party no pesemi nkuminya na too much on some of our members pesemi nkuminya na too much because some of us nyema content aye no ho nyema ye kan ho asem no it can change people's minds and you guys have the clout so what I say now be post ade no atagi unwa onhu na nka won share keke ohun a like kroma obi monkwa na ehu mu monkwa na enimu monkwa so na mbetimi di party so aba power and the moya na me hu ni sa mon pese party be aba power individualistic pese mi nkuminya greediness well o de mungu so be se fanti comedy be sin de or respond me message be just because of some makasa wan share my content what do I benefit and then na minya some of us are on 2-3 jobs yes we find time to do all these things na wan kasa wo nuanum sabotage wo nuan MPP ni be hu post o Facebook no atwam na da bia ndisi for ba hye e na nkofo kora mfiu e na sei agbobo so ifra no pa to the moto na monye wicked saa na we na discourage you be gu so aye but ankwanko we say the pen na mu say you guys are the cause of it bye
from the 2nd of April to the 5th of April enya ade ba akope but yet they are mute. They've kept quiet. They are not able to come out to speak as they spoke in 2024. Some of them maybe did that board or so. So all these were what you were doing. And they say, I am more food and more personal interest in it. But forgetting say, Sabo Frana, we yes, I dear way mania Jidu Muno, and ne were losing a Jumah or Tiffy. Then Sabacon no crampon, I had the mu Nisuno, a co was our soft one so. because onya omuji dey say we are the mouthpiece ema nyankopon to ojiwudie benne no wo akogye na wo no wabusuafo enjoy na ono nso no na busuafo ebre eti nisu no ebegu wo sa wa asofo kro no mutiri so maya ma say sorry most of the youth lose interest e wa sorry komu because of mwankasa mo personal selfish interest in tea. What I say? President Mahama be twa Ghana for ntro, wa be scam Ghana for esika omu di if you omu wia niema. Oba yenso no na ajapade Ghana ajapade nyina oji oswa de amani nua. Na ni nua pe na ye miner wo Ghana. Is he the only miner in Ghana? Is he the richest person in Ghana? Buntu media mudi ni jina court. Mudi ni jina court. Na Ibrahim Mahama de ni husun onye mining no. Me say Ibrahim Mahama be mining. But the way and manner the president is going about things, you know. I say anyway, but most as of one there. Me say ye jamu manyankopon. Yan kasenti amo. Ne mumu ankasa mo komo mo kotodwa anim na mo bompa ye tire nyankopon na. Mon sre bone fache because mo ye Ghana for youth no bone pa men kase nyame ntu amoka na mum nyankopon hata soro no so hwe na se de mo ye na ya ono ankasa na nim na kati obede ode be mamo na se e yade a mo ye no ese ne fatan so a ono an nim ne nhira ode be hira mo se mo soma koma muti ye binum yan kwa sori o nanso no yan yakoma mu ete yakoma muti cause de mo ye no bi yen binum ye nye nanka wo de uye obi a chese ukasa Ghana fo nyina etie o na se na wo ye nyina no na ye wo fo nti na osofo nso do de duane ye de yes Christo ba ye me se 40 days to de ne yem to ho nanka wo de duane ye de na se na mo de mo enam se mo so mo peja pade mo so ja mo de be ko heaven ana mo de be ko hell yankopon akatua no eba